What's going on, guys? Today I got my Mott Bow package and we're gonna just get right to the unboxing. So I'm gonna open this guy up. I opted for the French Terry collection this time, just going for a super comfy look without looking too sloppy, of course. So very cool packaging. I love the way they package these things just because it's kind of minimalistic, but also they put care into it, like putting this wrapping paper. It feels like opening a present. It makes me happy. First reaction is that it's pretty heavyweight, which is really awesome in the Pacific Northwest. Definitely want something to keep me warm outside. The three pieces that I got this time were the hoodie, the French Terry hoodie. I also got the French Terry pants, and last but not least, the French Terry sweater. So just going for a super minimalistic, what's that word I'm looking for? Monochromatic pieces here. Something that I can just be comfortable in. All right, so without further ado, I'm gonna open this one because it has a nice little Mott Bow logo. And it is Mott Bow, not Mott Bow. I'm gonna open the sweater first. Feels really heavyweight, which is really good. Actually, it felt heavyweight when it was folded. When I opened it, it felt just more like a normal sweater. There's no flimsy feel to it though. It does feel very sturdy, like it's just gonna hold its own. So I'm excited for this piece. I have a lot of blacks in my wardrobe right now, and yeah, I just opted for a gray one here. So pretty excited. I am noticing the stitching here in the back too, which I love this stitching. I don't know about you guys, but I hate it when, you know, I feel something in my neck and it just gets really itchy and stuff. Like, it's not what I'm going for, and this looks like it will do the trick. All right, let's move on. This right here is the pant. Now, if you've also been watching for a while, I am 5'7", I have really short legs, and you know, I fully expect this to be a little too long, but that's okay because I'm gonna be wearing this around the house this time. So I did opt for black because I don't actually have black joggers. They're all gray obsidian. Stitching is really on point. Pocket here doesn't have a zipper. That's okay. I'm not going to be wearing keys and taking my wallet around the house, but it has a faux fly here, which is really nice. Just makes it feel like a comfortable sweatpant, but also makes it look a little bit more put together. So last but not least, let's go for the hoodie. Opted for the black as well, just a clean look. You can tell this zipper is of high quality. If you've been watching for a while too, I don't like loud logos and such. One of the reasons why I love this brand, doesn't scream anything, and yeah, it just makes it look clean. My boy Alejandro with the roots in Peru, this is where it's made. So yeah, let's throw these pieces on. All right, putting these French Terry joggers on. Super comfortable, fits like a nice sweatpant, and I do realize my face is cut off, but I don't think you're here to see my face. I probably could have gone medium because it is a little baggy here. Okay, so you set your mind to finally copping a pair of these awesome pants, then you go to the website and find that there are no measurements. On the screen here is a list of the different sizes and circumferences on the pant for both the medium and the large. Sorry if you need measurements that are smaller or larger. I am right in between a medium and large, so I wasn't gonna order every single one. But here you go, hopefully this helps. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this around the house, just lounging, maybe see if I can get it swapped for a medium. Next we have the Terry sweater here. This feels really good, and the size does fit a little bit better. This one is a sweater, which, you know, sweaters usually make me think lounging around and just being casual, but I think this one is good for wearing work from home. It doesn't have that super professional feel where, you know, I wouldn't really feel comfortable wearing this in the office in person, but working from home, this is really good. I will look to incorporate this into my wardrobe, in my dailies. It's a good fit, it's a good weight, looks clean. Definitely wear it in public, running errands and such. So yeah, I'm happy about this piece right here. And so far, no itchy tags or anything like that, so that's good. But yeah, this is it's fitting really well. I do have short arms too, so it is a little bit too long. Again, it's not like embarrassing to show myself in public. I can also just, you know, roll it up a little bit. But yeah, looks good. Last but not least, this hoodie. You can never have enough hoodies. Well, I can never have enough hoodies. Just love hoodies so much. They're so comfortable, especially zip ups, versatility. It's cold outside, put your hands in your pocket. It's hot, undo the zipper. Feeling a little emo, put the hood on. Going for a workout outside, put the hood on. This hood right here, perfect size here. It's not too baggy, not too hoodlum-y, you know what I'm saying? And it's not too small where I don't want to wear it. So perfect size. Yeah, not much to say about it. Sleeves are gonna be the same length-ish because I got the large. Super high quality piece right here. Love it. This is where I'm gonna leave you today. Thanks for hanging out. You know, this was just an unboxing, first impression. I will be doing a more in-depth review on these pieces, so if you're interested in that thing, consider subscribing to stay notified. Make it a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.